What is up, guys? I am here at Blade Show in Atlanta with the little Lulu. If you're coming to the show, come to booth 643 and you can check it out. We have an entire story here, how we got there, the entire design process. Additionally, if you're going to be at the show, we have $6 Lander 6s, so you can spend 6 bones, get a $6 Lander 6. Also, well, 2 weeks ago, I don't remember how long ago, we threw one of these in the newsletter giveaway. So Dan from Iowa won a little Lulu. He's gonna get one before everybody else. And I'm sorry about that, but that's how giveaways work. So if you would like to be part of this project, we are running the Kickstarter right now. We've had over 500 backers. When we hit 515, we have a stretch goal with black micarta. So you can order either green or black when you do the backer survey. So we would love your support on the Little Lulu Kickstarter project. And like I said, we're here in Atlanta till Sunday in booth 643 right here. Come see us. I've told Jamie to turn the camera back on because this is our video this week. We've kept it kind of simple. We've been doing these really heavy hitter, like research videos, all this stuff. And we also have to do these trade shows. So this week, we're not doing anything crazy. We're kind of keeping it simple. So this is the video for the week, but I just wanted to say thank you to all of you all for following along on this YouTube journey we're doing. We always ask, man, should we be doing a video a week? And it's like, yes, because the people enjoy it. So thanks for being part of this. That's all I wanted to say is thank you. You can turn off the camera now, Jamie. Carry on.